Now let's find the position vector using the ratio formula. So we have to find the position vector of the point of division, right, of the line segments using this formula, right? And what are the pair of points that will be divided? So the point C with this position vector and the point D with this position vector. And the line CD, the vector CD, is divided by this ratio, 4:3, right? So we have the position vector for C, which is C. Let's just denote it like this. And the position vector for D, we can denote it like this, right? Now, here's the thing. This is the ratio that they are divided by. So this 4 we'll call P, and let's call this one Q. Okay, so this Q over here, that will become, in this case, let's just take this example over here. Q is equal to 3, P is equal to 4, and A is equal to C, and B is equal to D. Okay, so that's that clarified. Now let's just plug in the values. We have to find R. So this is the formula, and so we found out Q to be equal to 3, right? And A was equal to the position vector of C, so that's this. And we found P to be 4, and this to be the position vector of D. So now, and this is the denominator, Q plus P. So Q plus P was equal to 4 plus 3, obviously. And once you actually expand and do all the calculations, you'll find out that this is the result. So this is the position vector of the point dividing the line CD by the ratio of 4:3. Simple. This formula is really, it's just something that makes your life very easy. You just need to know how to apply it.